Kumusta yung voice ko? I'm so sorry sa tech booth. But I'm so happy. It was the first time I got to see Golden Light. Okay. First of all, I want to say thank you sa mainit na pagtanggap ninyo dito sa amin sa Canada. I love you guys too. And I feel so happy and blessed na sama-sama tayo ngayon araw. I'd also like to take this opportunity. More? Hindi ko na kaya. No, but actually, I really want to say thank you to everyone who watched and supported It's Okay to Not Be Okay. Ang dami tumatawag sa akin ng Mia sa airport pa lang, so thank you. This was our love letter to all of you, so thank you so much. But right now, Madlang Vancouver, gusto niyo ba ng okay na performance? How about okay at magandang kantahan at sayawan? Are you guys ready? Madlang Pacific Coliseum, I present to you my sisterette, Asia's unforgettable, phenomenal superstar, Vance Ganda!
Harap ko sa jeep ang isang kotse, tatak ay Rolls Royce, sakay ay babae, naka-convoy 40 pang kotse, BMW at Mercedes-Benz. Inisip ko kung sinong babae, si Sara Diskaya palang sakay ng kotse.